Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn something really important in English grammar, that is parts of speech. Don't worry, I will keep it super simple. What are parts of speech? Parts of speech are basic types of words that make up English language. Each word in a sentence has a role, and that role is called parts of speech. All words are like tools. We use different parts of speech to build a sentence. Parts of speech tells us how a word works. There are 8 parts of speech. We will learn each type step by step. Let's learn the parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, conjunction, preposition, interjection are the 8 parts of speech. Let's learn one by one. Talking about noun. Noun is a naming word. A noun is a name of a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. For example, a girl is a name of a person. That's why girl is a noun. Place. School is a place. We can call it a noun as it is a name of a place. Dog is a name of animal. Therefore, dog is also a noun. Cat, Sita, table. Example of thing, table. All these are the nouns. How to use that noun in a sentence? The cat is sleeping. In this sentence, we use cat as a noun. Next type is pronoun. What is pronoun? Simply we can call it a word replacer. Pronoun takes place of a noun to avoid repeating words. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These all are the pronouns. For example, she is reading a book. To avoid repetition in sentence, we use that pronoun to, to, to make sentence more constructive. That's why we call it as a word replacer. Instead of taking a name of a person again and again, if we use pronoun in a sentence, then it makes constructive sentence. Next one is verb. What is verb? Verb shows action or state of being. Actions like eat, sleep, play, jump. State of beings, all the helping verbs like am, is, are state of beings. For example, they run every morning. In this sentence, run shows action. Something is doing by someone. So, run is action verb in this sentence. They run every morning. Girls are playing. Are playing is a verb which shows state of being in the sentence. Here we can see girls are playing. That shows something is done, something is doing by girls. Next type is adjective. We can call it describing words. Adjectives describe a noun. Words that tell us more about noun, we can call it adjective. It gives more information about noun. Look at the picture. We can see balloon and stars here. If we describe that balloon by red color, we can call that red color is an adjective because it gives more information about this noun. In this sentence, the red balloon. Balloon is a noun, and if we call red balloon, then that red color gives more information about balloon. So it describes noun. Red is a adjective here. Happy, happy faces. Red, tall, fast. All are the example of adjective which gives more information about noun. Next one is adverb. Adverb is a word that describes verb, adjective or another verb. For example, she sings beautifully. It describes verbs, means how actions happen. Adjectives describe descriptions, how strong or intensely actions happen, and describes other adverbs, to what extent action is done. In the given sentence, she sings beautifully. Beautifully is an adverb as it describes verb. How she sings. She sings beautifully. It shows more information about verb. So, adverb is a word that describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Next type is conjunction. We can call it a connecting words or joining words. It connects words or group of words. Or we can connect two sentences by using conjunction. Common example of conjunction are and, but, or, so, because. If we want to join two phrases to sentence, we use conjunction. For example, I like cooking and eating. Here we join two words, cooking and eating, by using this and. But I don't like washing dishes afterward. That but joins two sentences. So joining words or connecting words are the conjunction. Next is preposition. What is preposition? Preposition shows position or direction, where or when something is. If you want to show a particular place or position of a thing, then we use preposition to make sentence more constructive. For example, in, on, under, near, at, and so on. In this image, we can see the cat is under the table. That under shows the position of that cat. We can see the position of the cat by using this preposition. In this way, preposition works in a sentence. Last one is interjection. To show emotions or feelings, we use this interjection. These are expressing feelings, and example of that interjections are wow, ouch, hey, yeah, etc. For example, hooray, I won the gold medal. By this word, hooray, we can show our emotions or feelings. We can express our feelings by using interjection. In this way, to express our feeling, we can use interjections in a sentence. These all eight are the parts of speech. And that's it. Total, there are 8 parts of speech. Remember, every sentence you say or write, use these parts of speech. Try to use these parts of speech and make sentence more creative. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe for more videos.